Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today I want to answer the question, because I've gotten this question many times. How often should you practice telekinesis? And to be honest, to be quite frankly, it's not about how often you practice. It's more so about how much are you making telekinesis your lifestyle. Telekinesis is consuming my life. It's part of it. It's the foundation, if you will. The first thing what I do when I wake up is being grateful that I woke up. I'm grateful that I have a bed. I'm grateful that I have a family to have breakfast with. Grateful that I have breakfast. And gratitude is one of the foundations of telekinesis. And this gratitude already helps me to practice my telekinesis. And then, when I wake up, the first thing I do is I make my bed. Because cleaning or being clean is the other foundation of telekinesis. So even though I'm not technically sitting, practicing telekinesis, meditating, and trying to move an object with my mind, even though I'm not doing this, I still practice telekinesis by being clean and grateful. So, what I want to say is, throughout my day, when I go to work, do my duties and everything, I practice telekinesis constantly. It's not like I practice telekinesis in the morning once in the afternoon, once in the evening. That's not like that. Telekinesis is part of my life. So if you ask me, how often should you practice telekinesis? That's just the wrong question. Make telekinesis your lifestyle. Be grateful at all times. Be clean as possible. Do your work. Be healthy. Okay. Those are the foundations of telekinesis. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Your guru. And have a good day.